Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to learn how we can configure org-wide email addresses in Salesforce. Now this is a feature that many Salesforce admins use in real-time projects, but a lot of beginners don't fully understand why it's needed. For example, consider you have a Salesforce application. In that application, if you need to send any mail for the customer, you need to send from company email, right? So if it is instead of sending by company mail, it will send from any other user. It will not looks good. So most of the company prefers mail should be triggered from the company mails or which is the specific mail ID that is company handled. From that email ID need to be email should be trigger. So that is exactly where org-wide email address comes into the picture. So let's understand everything in step by step. So how we can navigate to that? If simply click on setup. So in quick find box, you need to search organization. So there is the option like organization wide address. You just click on that. So in here, we need to specify that company or particular email ID. That is maybe a company or the support team. So then we need to understand what is an org-wide email address. So let's start with basics. An org-wide email address is a company email address that Salesforce users can use that email to send the mail to the customer. Instead of sending emails from their personal email addresses, user can send the emails from support@company.com, sales@company.com, HR@company.com, info@company.com. This all the company email address. By using this standard company email address, user can send the mail to the customer. So this creates a professional experience for the customer. So in real-time example for this, like imagine you are a customer, you receive an email from rahul123@.com. So and other email from support@company.com. Which one looks more professional? Obviously like support@company.com, right? In that time, customer understand. So this mail is come from the Salesforce company like that. So otherwise, if it is triggered from personal account, maybe the customer ignore that. So that's why companies use org-wide email addresses. So then what is the need of org-wide email addresses? There is a several reasons. One is professional branding. Customers see the company email addresses. And the second thing is team-based communication. Even we send mail from multiple department, when the customer received, he will see all the emails comes from the one company like that or one address like that. He will think. Then how to configure org-wide email addresses? Now let's do it practically. So first we need to click on setup, gear icon. Then in the quick find box, you need to search organization email addresses or organization wide addresses. So once you open that, so this window is available for you. So in here, I need to add the emails. So we can add, you simply click on add email. So which email we need to add? For example, I have a sales department. So sales department, all emails should be triggered from sales department email ID. So I will give like sales team. So then we need to give an address. So then we need to select the profiles, which all the profiles can send the email from this mail. So currently it is selected all the mails. Then click on save. Whenever the mail is triggered from sales team, it will use this email to send the mail. When the customers receive the mail, he can see there is a title like sales team and this email. So once you add the email, you need to verify. So if you don't verify, otherwise it will not work. So currently what I will do, I will simply verify by using my mobile. Automatically, the status is verified. So if you want to add any other department emails, you simply click on add. For example, so I will create one more email for the support team. Same like I will give this label as display name as support team. Then we need to mention the email ID. So then we need to select the profiles. Then click on save. For example, if any email trigger from support team, customer gets one mail. So in that time it will show this mail is triggered from support team and this is the email ID like that. So this is also we need to verify. The important step is email verification process. So once we save the email, Salesforce send an verification email to the that mail, particular mail you added to the organization wide email addresses. Why? Because Salesforce must confirm you own the email address like that. So once you verified, automatically status becomes verified. So the important things is like until verification is completed, user cannot use the R wide email addresses. So this is the one of the most common reason admins think setup is not working. In real time example, like for example, I added one mail to the organization wide email addresses. If nobody verifies it, user won't see the addresses while sending emails. Access depends on profile permissions. So based on the profile permission or the email address configuration, it works. Not every user automatically get access to the every email addresses. For example, how user can see the mail like, so I will open my Outlook. So in this, I have this email that this is trigger from the Salesforce application. In here, you can see CRM manager. I can see the complete name and their name. So same like if any customer receive the mail from the Salesforce application or wide email addresses, set the addresses like this. So this is the real-time example. Then what are the common mistakes people actually do? Forgetting the email verification, typing wrong email addresses, wrong profile access, using personal email instead of sharing team's email. So this is how we can set org-wide email addresses in Salesforce. So this is help to organization to maintain their professional communication with customer. Instead of sending email from individual user addresses, you can send email from the department level addresses, like what we discussed before. It's a simple setup, but you all see almost every real-time Salesforce project. So definitely make sure you understand this concept. So this is what actually the org-wide email addresses in Salesforce. I hope you understand these things. If you found this video is helpful, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.